Guys, come in, come in. I've got a really exciting project I want to tell you about. You're going to love it. Now, one of the things about owning a Nissan Figaro is it's really a reflection of your personality. And lots of people take that a bit further and start to personalise the cars and make them exactly the way that they want them. And we were lucky enough that a lovely lady called Anne came to us and wanted us to completely build and restore a Nissan Figaro for her. She wanted to change some of the areas on the outside just to give it that little twist to make it hers. But also she wanted to do a completely custom interior. And most importantly, she didn't want to use any animal products on that interior. She was vegan and we thought this was a fantastic product. I was so excited to work on it. So I want to show you the project and then show you the amazing place that we got to reveal the project. So let's go and check out what we did for Anne.
The first thing we did was find the very best Nissan Figaro that we could. I like to building a house. If you start with good foundations, a good car, you end up with a better product at the end that lasts longer and is more reliable. Despite that, we stripped the car to a shell, changed the suspension, the brakes, the steering, went right through the engine, and then spent hundreds of hours laying on this beautiful coat of pale aqua paint, using a water-based paint with clear lacquer. We were really pleased with the deep shine. Once we finished the assembly on the outside of the car, it was time to move on to Anne's leather-free interior. Everything was new, the door panels, seat belts, all of the panels, and you can see here that the beautiful shade that Anne chose really complements the pale aqua of the car. But really, the thing we were super excited about was to be able to present this car to Anne at the biggest Figaro meet that had ever been. And before the big reveal, one of the main things that I really wanted to know was, why did you want a Figaro?
So I love the 1950s style, it's very me, but I also like my mod cons, and the Figaro just seemed to fit the bill perfectly. I also like the fact that it has a big family, a big community, and obviously there's these guys, so if there's anything wrong with it, then I know where to go. So.
She won't bail it. Guys, this is Anne, and she's got her dream car, so she hasn't seen it yet, so I'm just going to unveil it today, so yeah. They look lovely, don't they?
We were so pleased that Anne and the crowd all loved the car. Now that we've got a bit of space, let me just show you around the car. We're so proud of it, the beautiful moon discs and the paint job on the outside, but this inside, driven by a passion to not use leather products, and with these fantastic sharp lines and lovely accent of pale blue. We're so proud of it. We hope you enjoy the car as much as we enjoyed building it out.